Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to another tutorial of Adobe Photoshop. In this tutorial you are going to learn how to remove text from an image without removing the background in Adobe Photoshop. Viewers, if you have a picture like this where the text layer and the background are not merged and you want to remove the text from an image, all you need is to click on the text layer and press delete on the keyboard and you are done, problem solved. But if you have both the layers are merged, for example if we select both the layer and press ctrl plus E to merge it. Now if you want to remove this text from an image, then here things got complicated, but don't worry. First of all, go to magic wand tool and select the first letter of the text. Now press shift and select or repeat the process for the remaining letters. Now go to select, modify, expand and expand it by 2 or 3 pixels. Click OK. Now press shift plus backspace. A fill window will be appear and from the drop down list select content aware and press OK. Photoshop will work in a moment and the text will disappear from the screen like it is, and only the selection will be left. So press ctrl plus D to deselect the selection and here you done. Unless someone look very closely, it will be very difficult to tell that there was ever text, and this is how we can remove a text from an image. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.